get started. Um, Just now completed the second question. I am still in the second question for TLS. So, mm, okay, so late uh, course, mushroom, detoxification rice, mm, vitamin C, food, food growth, decomposes, optimizes, optimizes, say after 5 years, decomposers just down and so that down here, 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 you can go optimizes are here, um, here, here, and this way, and uh, Basidioma include mm, these are usually fungi and oh god, mushroom, mushroom, bracket fungi fungi, bracket fungi fungi. Deuteronomy, yes, Deuteronomy, Deuteronomy, uh, yes, I did not deal with the grouping. I made a group here, but the issue is, oh, okay, I need to finish this. So, I'm gonna do it. First of all, and go on this part and do the rest of it and we go. So, what I'm doing, on another polygon clip, the device, yes. Mm, okay, so this is how much I made. I can chunk these. Probably what I need to learn a bit more about these. Um, I guess on thing is, I couldn't quite chunk it here because we just had too many, uh, like the relation, the two, how should I say it? The names are too detailed. So, any similarities and that would have taken longer if I just wrote it down. So, I just tried this, I tried this, and I could just come up with a backbone with cellular like this. So, yeah, that's why I went with this backbone rather than creating groups because there are multiple similarities and differences. And I this did help that I put in like this with L1 and L1 photographed at the time parasites and mushroom water related eukaryotes are cases I want to know what food and I know that I don't currently. Okay, that must be my seed, also my seed, cycle. Right. Now, 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 premise, I want to first um, being a given, then kind of develop this after. Like this was the initial diagram that I created. And yeah, with this, just and this, I'll probably add this part, I'll probably add this part, and then yeah, monogram for this part, and along with fungi, what is that? Yeah, this was well, I think. It's only better if I just deal with this and try to, even if it is overwhelming, I need to, like I'm trying to, no, that's not it. I'm trying to, um, sorry, escape, yeah, escape is the method of escape the difficulty of grouping them that way. So, I want to prokaryotes, eukaryotes, prokaryotes, okay, I need two things, right here. One, okay, let's first creation of file systems, cell structure, body organization, nutrition, reproduction, phylogenetic relationship. Prokaryotes, most of them are prokaryotes, eukaryotes, eukaryotes, oh, prokaryotes, I put it on only monera, present a cell wall and this thing, eukaryotes, this, right here, it is space, and space, heterotroph, autotroph, presence of cell wall. This is important as well. Difference between the two uh, characteristics. What are these? Nitrogen fixing. Nitrogen fixing. Um, profile. Iterated. Kingdom Protista. Chrysophyte. Yeah. Oh yeah. Cell wall. Presence of cell wall. No, I can just put in cell wall. Then I go in with this. Kingdom Protista. Chrysophyte. Flagellate. This is the first. Okay. Chrysophyte and then flagellate and everything. Here, um, well, I did find some similarity. So I did do that. That's a good this thing. Yeah, what are the follows? Okay, in listings we have two more types. Okay, listings we have two more types. Okay, and suppose this listings have listings. Kingdom of the abandoned. I remember putting, yeah, fungi algal component is missing. Wait a minute. This round is done. So we started this. But as now, I want to, uh, what are the similarities between the kingdom with respect to their, uh, as cell wall, right? Cell wall. Cell wall. Instead of going again and again and again and again, mm, what I can do is just here, this, okay, this is long, okay, easy, right. Monera, fungi and plantae, Monera, fungi and plantae, cell wall, Monera, Monera, fungi, plantae, they have and protista act as intermediate between present and present there. Then, oh wait, hold on. This is here, this, this, and Animalia, oh, God, no, yeah. Oh, this, this, Uh, okay. Kingdom Animalia. Animalia is fungi. Fungi. What about the kingdom? What about prions, viruses, viroids, and lichens? Let's see what is that. Do not have cell walls. Okay. So they do not have cell walls. Okay. Yeah. Kingdom of the abandoned. Yes. Kingdom of the abandoned. Cell wall. On basis of cell wall, if I go like this, the structure, yeah. Body organization as well, mode of nutrition can be related easily. Reproduction is sexually and asexually is good. And the mode of nutrition. Let me just see. I go with mode of nutrition, then yeah, I'm unable to create big. So if I go like this, along with cellular and cellular. So random with cellular. Just a second. Okay, let's continue with this. Yeah, okay. Cellular ion, no fungal partner. One minute. Uh-oh. No, no, no. So we have this. Talk, photo talk, and the main issue is how much they are varied. Because they're so varied, creating chunks is a lot more challenging. So cell structure, best shot, body organization. What is the difference? What is the difference between the five kingdoms? Primary, unicellular, uni, multi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fungal process Munera. Unicellular, multi. So if I go with another group, unicellular, unicellular kingdom fungi. No, no multicellular. Kingdom Monera, Protista, multicellular kingdom Animalia, Plantae, fungi. That means it's like this, then it's like this. Let's say acellular. What is the difference between acellular and unicellular? Oh, fungus. Oh, but this is so confusing. Why is it so confusing to group these together? Prions are misfolded proteins. Misfolded. Abnormal protein. The lichen the symbiotic association fungus. But fungi and algae, what is the difference between the cellular and unicellular? Okay. Any lack any cellular structure entirely. They're not made of cells. Okay, cell membrane, single cell. Okay, and makes a lot more sense. So eukaryote, oh god, this is so bad. Protista, okay, unicellular means they have no. Uh, I try representing this on a map. What I do know is putting a cellular and acellular so that cellular, acellular, these two. Okay. Now for this, let's say I cellular prokaryote, same thing. cell wall. We have those which have, those which don't. Kingdoms, Animalia, and no, yeah, fungi, I believe. They don't have. Oh wait, cell wall. They do have cell wall. No, 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 no. And kingdom of the abandoned. Uh, kingdom of the abandoned. So, plants, kingdoms, plants. Uh, fungi and more. Hmm, more. Hmm. Okay, this makes a lot of sense. Okay, looks like cell wall it is. Same as previous. Uh, so the um of two groups, two backbones, and those are this, those backbone, this being the second backbone. So this one has this one has so which does I guess I can make more two, three more of this. Yeah, unicellular, multicellular as well. Then unicellular again, then with cellular, and then I create one more with acellular kingdom of the abandoned, and yeah, putting it like this. So cellular, acellular, unicellular. Oh yeah, I can also, the initial one that I made was procardio, and wait, if I go like this, not quite, I need to create, let's make this one more. Acellular, cellular, and unicellular. So you have acellular. Mm, okay, the biggest chunk that I can make are cellular and acellular. Cellular, cellular. This is a given. Now visualize that I make these unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular, multicellular. Okay, have three icons. Unicellular and multicellular. I have multi, uni, Monera and Protista. Monera, Protista. And I can put in unicellular prime minister. Means one celled prime minister. Okay, that I can memorize on that. Multicellular animal plant fungi. Okay, correct. Four, yeah, correct, yeah. So the rough, and then I can what else? Mode of nutrition. Uh, hmm, I could do here is delete this, delete this, delete this. Yeah, so hmm, that. This is what I understand afterwards. The communication of Euglenoid, great, yeah. Dino photosynthetic dinosaurs. Okay, that's easy. Right, I need to draw a green color T-Rex with legs. Oh my god, that looks so bad. A T-Rex with a bit of belly. Oh god, what have I created? A parasite. Oh god, oof, okay. T-Rex has a tail, pointy at end. Oh god, little hand. Looks bad. Uh-huh. Yeah. What is it? The dinosaur. Photosynthetic dinosaur. That yellow looks so bad. Yeah. Okay. made of photosynthetic dinosaur. Hmm. Mm, I don't know, 41 minutes. So I uh, archaebacteria, eukaryote, I'm getting sidetracked there. Why did I make it photosynthetic dinosaur? That was unnecessary a bit. It's in the first like 1 second and third. Uh, I guess this is a much better one because it's a much bigger group. Here it's just cell wall. I think I'm getting biased because of the I will just make it up in case I'm getting biased. Okay, now how do I show the stuff? Uh, so Monera. No, wait, that was yeah, it was Monera. Monera was they eat plant. What aero? No, not aerobic. Was autotrophs. Auto plus hetero, fungi hetero, auto, then put it like this. Um, this is hetero. One more way that I will do it is I monerize again hetero plus auto. Protista is auto, I believe. Fungi hetero, auto. Wait, I can just this hetero, this, then in the middle, in the middle, this, like, this could work. Yeah, hetero, 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 hetero. PM is auto. Unicellular PM. These are unicellular, means one cell. So Protista and Monera are auto. Protestant. Okay, I'm going to use Protesta minister. Protesta minister. One Protesta minister or so. Like, autism. Okay. Uh, it's like this. Unicellular one cell protest, cellular, multicellular, unicellular. So unicellular protista and monera, multicellular this and this, hetero like this, or I can put it like this. I can put it like this here, and there it is. How do I represent stuff like this? Let's see. Mode of inclusion, brief product. Okay. Asexual, both, both, both. Okay. Monera is asexual, animal is sexual, everything in between. So Monera is sexual. Okay. Yes. Right. Try putting this together. Then then we have asexual and unsexual. Sexual is sexual, sexual is sexual, sexual is sexual. Sexual, let's say sexual. I can probably make something like this. It is created, remove this, then make that be there, and for those. Wait, these are only 4 years. But by Monera animalia fungi plant. But two, four, five, two, four. But the protista isn't here. Protista, not here. This protista has anyone? Yeah, they do have anyone. Wait, no. This protista has anyone? This protista has anyone. Uh, protozoa. Okay, so protist. It's somewhere in the middle. No. Yeah. Mm, any animalia as well as Monera. Oh, mm, okay. The production system, system, reasoning. I need to stick to one. Just okay. I'm confusing myself on your email. Okay. So these were like cellular, unicellular. Let's go with stealing. Mm, yeah, the one prokaryotic is just with respect to, let's say, I might be able to do with this one, probably as unicellular eukaryote. These are our topic. Unicellular eukaryote and multicellular eukaryote. And then I go in terms of this, then wait a minute, now go down, like this. Oh, sorry, look how eukaryote. Yeah, it takes around an hour. Yeah, it did take around an hour, but I'm happy with this. Um, not too steep progress, but better than last time. Yeah, I guess for now this much is enough. So the next one I will start again. Thank you.